Welcome back to Naturalhub, where we're all about transforming your health one step at a time. Today we're diving into the incredible benefits of flaxseed and how it can revolutionize your well-being. Flaxseed might be tiny, but it packs a powerful punch when it comes to nutrition. Let's explore why it's hailed as a superfood and how you can incorporate it into your daily routine. Benefits of flaxseed. First off, flaxseed is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain health, reducing inflammation, and promoting heart health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of omega-3s can improve cognitive function and even help with conditions like depression and anxiety. But that's not all. Flaxseed is also a fantastic source of fiber, both soluble and insoluble. This means it can aid in digestion, promote gut health, and keep you feeling fuller for longer, which is great if you're looking to manage your weight. Flaxseed oil. Another star component of flaxseed is its oil. Cold-pressed flaxseed oil is rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, a type of omega-3 that supports healthy skin, hair, and nails. It's like nature's beauty elixir. Did you know that flaxseed is also a great source of lignans? These are plant compounds with antioxidant properties that can help protect against chronic diseases like cancer and heart disease. Incorporating flaxseed into your diet is a simple yet effective way to boost your overall health. Athletes and fitness enthusiasts, take note, flaxseed is a natural energy booster. Thanks to its combination of healthy fats, protein, and fiber, adding flaxseed to your pre-workout snacks or meals can provide sustained energy and support muscle recovery post-exercise. Whether you sprinkle ground flaxseed on salads, mix it into smoothies, or use flaxseed oil in dressings, there are countless ways to incorporate this nutrient-rich ingredient into your favorite dishes. To sum it up, flaxseed offers a multitude of health benefits, from supporting heart health and brain function to aiding digestion and boosting energy levels. It's truly a versatile superfood that can transform your health from the inside out. Thanks for joining me on this journey to discover the wonders of flaxseed. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. Until next time, take care and be well.